Yoga benefits for women. Yoga is a holistic practice that integrates physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to promote overall health and well-being. Women, in particular, can benefit from yoga in numerous ways, from physical health improvements to mental and emotional well-being. This video explores the diverse benefits of yoga for women, highlighting its impact on different stages of life and various health aspects. Physical benefits. Improved flexibility and mobility. Yoga helps increase flexibility and range of motion in the joints and muscles. Regular practice can alleviate stiffness, improve posture, and enhance overall physical agility. Pose. Downward dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretches the hamstrings, calves, and shoulders, promoting flexibility. Enhanced strength and muscle tone. Yoga involves various poses that require muscle engagement and strength. It helps build and tone muscles, enhancing overall physical strength. Pose. Plank pose. Phalakasana. Strengthens the core, arms, and shoulders. Better bone health. Weight-bearing poses in yoga can help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a common concern for women, especially post-menopause. Pose. Warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2. Strengthens the legs and hips, promoting bone health. Improved cardiovascular health. Certain styles of yoga, such as Vinyasa and Ashtanga, provide cardiovascular benefits by raising the heart rate and improving circulation. Practice. A dynamic Vinyasa flow sequence can enhance cardiovascular fitness. Pain relief. Yoga can alleviate chronic pain conditions, including lower back pain, arthritis, and migraines, by improving alignment, reducing tension, and promoting relaxation. Pose. Child's pose. Balasana. Relieves lower back pain and promotes relaxation. Mental and emotional benefits. Stress reduction. Yoga incorporates breathing exercises and meditation, which help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. Practice. Practicing pranayama, breathing exercises, like Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing, can reduce stress and anxiety. Improved mood and emotional well-being. Yoga can boost mood by increasing levels of serotonin and endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. It also helps manage symptoms of depression and anxiety. Pose. Camel pose. Ustrasana, can open the chest and heart, promoting emotional release and improved mood. Enhanced focus and concentration. The meditative aspects of yoga enhance mental clarity, focus, and concentration, which can be beneficial for both personal and professional life. Pose. Tree pose. Vrk Sasana, requires balance and focus, improving concentration. Reproductive and hormonal health. Menstrual health. Yoga can alleviate menstrual discomfort and regulate the menstrual cycle by reducing stress and promoting hormonal balance. Pose. Reclining bound angle pose. Supta Baddha Konasana, helps relieve menstrual cramps and discomfort. Prenatal health. Prenatal yoga supports a healthy pregnancy by improving flexibility, strength, and balance. It also helps manage common pregnancy symptoms like back pain and swelling. Practice. Prenatal yoga classes focus on poses that are safe for pregnancy, promoting relaxation and physical comfort. Postnatal recovery. Postnatal yoga aids in the recovery process after childbirth by strengthening the pelvic floor, abdominal muscles, and overall body. It also provides mental and emotional support during the postpartum period. Pose. Bridge pose. Setu Bandhasana, strengthens the pelvic floor and lower back muscles. Long-term health benefits. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular yoga practice can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, hypertension, and type 2 diabetes by improving overall health markers. Practice. Consistent yoga practice combined with a healthy lifestyle can lead to better long-term health outcomes. Enhanced immune function. Yoga supports the immune system by reducing stress hormones, enhancing circulation, and promoting overall health and well-being. Pose. Legs up the wall pose. Viparita Karani, promotes relaxation and enhances lymphatic flow, supporting immune function. Improved sleep quality. Yoga helps regulate the sleep cycle and improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and reducing stress and anxiety. Practice. A gentle evening yoga routine with poses like corpse pose, savasana, can prepare the body for restful sleep. Social and community benefits. Building community and support. Yoga classes and workshops provide opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals, fostering a sense of community and support. Practice. Joining a local yoga studio or online yoga community can create a supportive network of friends and practitioners. Promoting body positivity. Yoga encourages self-acceptance and body positivity by focusing on what the body can do rather than how it looks. This mindset can improve self-esteem and body image. Practice. Embracing a non-judgmental attitude towards one's practice and celebrating small victories can promote body positivity. Tailoring yoga for women's specific needs. Hormonal balance. Practice. Yoga poses and breathing exercises can help regulate hormones and alleviate symptoms of hormonal imbalances, such as PMS and menopause. Pelvic floor health. Practice. Poses like Malasana, Garland pose, and Kegel exercises integrated into yoga practice can strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. Breast health. Practice. Gentle chest opening poses like cat-cow pose, Marjaryasana Bidhalasana, can promote breast health and lymphatic drainage. Yoga offers a myriad of benefits for women, encompassing physical health, mental and emotional well-being, reproductive and hormonal health, and long-term health outcomes. By incorporating yoga into their daily routine, women can enhance their overall quality of life, manage stress, and maintain a healthy body and mind. Whether you are new to yoga or an experienced practitioner, tailoring your practice to meet your specific needs and goals can maximize these benefits. Embrace the holistic approach of yoga to support your journey towards optimal health and well-being. If you received value from this video, please like, subscribe and comment.